Take that EFI, turn it up to 5, make a country boy get high. On 600 horses, gonna let 'em run. Got the hammer on the metal like a loaded gun. They'll hear me coming from a mile away in a Duramax Chevrolet. Gonna ride until it lights up, the fuel light up in that 4x4 door, 3/4 ton Z71. It ain't John Deere green, it ain't H red, but it'll walk the dog on a pulling sled. 100,000 miles, barely broken in, burning rubber trying to chase the wind. With all them 600 horses gone